Hey guys, so it's Kraftsbyjazzy. So today is going to be a little quick video of what I'm doing to my tea and hot chocolate bar. So I had these little glass jars. They originally were painted a different color, but I repainted them. They originally were like a wood color. So I painted them to kind of match my theme. And I'm going to be putting some chalk stickers on here so that way I can label them. So as you can see here, I kind of cleaned it up. I'm probably going to, do some touch-up painting, but I'm going to show you these stickers. And then on top of that, these are the stickers I'm putting for my little pails. Each one is going to have a different little saying. Some of them might be the same because I have multiple teas, but this is the type of tea. So you just take these off. Got these at Hobby Lobby. And then as you can see, I put them on. And they look nice. And they kind of remind me of like a farmhouse theme or kind of cowish theme. And then I put them also on this glass jar. So hope you guys like it. Hey y'all, it's Kraftsbyjazzy. Thanks for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned to see more of my DIYs, shopping sprees, and more.